prebiotics. Prebiotics means, as you know, that it is a food for the beneficial microbes, and beneficial microbes knows that what type of enzymes I have to release to act as a catalyst to separate nutrients from the food what we are taking. So those nutrients are essential for different organs, as we are having more than 80 organs, and each organs wants a different taste. That's what we call different nutrients and different hormones. So these prebiotics will ensure that, and one has to take in the empty stomach 2 to 3 pieces of raw garlic and 1 to 1.5 inch or half inch to 1 inch sliced ginger and half teaspoon to 1 teaspoon fenugreek seeds soaked or sprouted has to be taken.